Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can become a CheapFlights affiliate partner and earn commissions by promoting flights, hotels, and travel deals. CheapFlights is a popular travel booking platform and their affiliates program offers a great opportunity to monetize your website, blog, or social media channels. So, let's dive right into it and learn how to become a CheapFlights affiliates partner in 2023. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type cheap flights and flights affiliates and hit the enter button. That should take you right away here, so make sure to go and open this first link. And as you can see right here, convert your traffic into revenue, so grow your business while helping travelers find and book the lowest flights deals online. Join our program for free and start earning. So simply you'll have to sign up, promote, and earn big. Of course, why you should join and what they offer and a lot of other things. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see everything from here. So as you can see, even the earning structure as an example, no of successful flights booking monthly, earnings in USD, 8 USD per pax, as you can see, or 9 per pax, depending on what you see here, and other stuff. So for us, let's just click on join now right away. And as you can see, once you click on join now, that's a new tab that's going to open to you. And here you'll have to simply sign up or log in into your account if you already have one. If you don't, simply you'll have to fill these informations. As an example, choose the language, the country, and email. Make sure to enter your email, then simply confirm the password. So fill all these things accurately and make sure to check this option that I am not a robot. And of course, to keep the quality of our network high, we'll ask you to verify your email address, accept legal terms, and provide details such as your tax, banking info before you can start making money and getting paid. So simply click on verify email. As you can see, this email is already in use. So simply for me, I'm just going to log in into my account. So let me just log in into my account here and click on login. And let's just wait for this page until it loads. Should not take a lot of time. So, of course, while we are waiting, example for you, you will have to go and create your account if you don't have one. And of course, you can review the program details and requirements. So, before even signing up, take some time to review the program details and requirements, and make sure to you meet the eligibility criteria and understand the terms and conditions of the affiliate program. And you make sure to even familiarize yourself with the commission structure, cookie duration, and any other relevant informations provided. And as you can see from here, we can simply click on activate account or apply to program so we can apply to their program. As you can see, they are telling me here this is the super user on this account must complete the onboarding checklist. So I'll have to complete this and click on apply to program if I want to apply for this cheap list as an example. And of course, from here, you'll be able to see on this dashboard a lot of other stuff. So simply you can activate the account, then apply to the program whenever you want. So for you, of course, if it's your first time, if you didn't log in, you'll have to fill the application form. So to become a Cheap Flights affiliates partner, you will need to fill out an application form and provide accurate and relevant information about yourself and your promotional channels, including like your website URL, social media handles, and traffic statistics, if applicable, of course, and take your time to answer all the questions truly and don't mess around with them, of course. Of course, here as you can see, you'll find all the socials, the name, the contacts, the email, and the country URL and the currency. So normally now my application is under review. Once I activate my account, as you can see, your application will be manually reviewed by the advertiser. Review times and process varies per advertiser. So of course, if you want to get like your affiliate link, you'll find this right here for the cheap flights as an example. And if you're maybe a partner of other websites that use the same CG affiliates, you can simply find it here and you can check it, all of them, and apply to their program or activate your account and get their links and keep promoting your affiliate link. And of course, for you, first of all, so after submitting your application, you'll need to wait for approval from the CheapFlights affiliates program team. And of course, this process may take some time, so be patient. And once your application is approved, you'll receive a unique affiliate link. And this link will attract the traffic and booking generates through your promotion. For me, I'll find my link here. So for you, once approved, you will find it right there also. And of course, as an example, if you didn't get approved, you can simply contact them and ask why you didn't get approved and try to focus on the things they decline you for. As an example, if you don't have enough followers or something like that. So make sure to work on the things that they decline you for and make it better and apply again. So don't give up, try again and again, and you will get approved once or one time you'll get approved. So once you get approved, of course, now you'll have the affiliate link and you can start promoting cheap flights and earning commissions and incorporate, of course, the link into your website or blog if you have one or social media content. And of course, you can create travel guides or flight deal roundups or hotel reviews to attract potential travelers. Make sure to disclose your affiliates relationship transparently. Of course, you can even track your performance and optimize it if you use the tool provided by Cheap Flights affiliates program to monitor your performance. So keep an eye on your clicks, booking, commission earns, analyze the data to identify which promotion strategies are working the best for you and optimize your efforts accordingly. Of course, as we said here, if you click here, you'll get your link as an example. So if you click here, you'll have to wait a bit and you will find your referral link normally. And of course, especially if you activate your account, you'll be able to add like the cheap flights here. So choose whatever flights you would like to get the link for, and make sure to click on join the program of it. And of course, get the link and promote it on your social media. Once anybody click on that link or book that flight, you will get a commission. As we showed you before here, you'll be able to see the commissions from here. So if you click on join now, sorry, let's just try to find this. Okay, it's not in here. Yeah, here it is. As you can see, earning structures, you'll find the earning structures right here. So make sure to go and read them. And of course, if you have any problem, you can always go and contact their support. They're gonna answer you right away because you're a partner right now. And if you reach this point or this minutes of this video, congratulations, you now have or know how to become a cheap flight affiliates partner and start earning commissions by promoting flights, hotels, and travel deals. And remember to provide available travel information to your audience. So choose relevant deals to promote and continuously optimize your promotional strategies. And of course, the cheap flight affiliates program is a fantastic way to monetize your travel related contacts or content. So thanks for watching. And if you like this video, make sure to put a like or leave a thumbs up down below with a subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. So best luck with your affiliate marketing journey, and I will see you in the next video.